you're supposed to, don't talk though. Billy's supposed to talk though, right, Billy?
Hello. Today I'm gonna be doing the first, the first test for this my first video, and we're gonna do just one mission. That's all. Please subscribe. Whatever. I don't care. Maybe like, I don't care. It's your choice. Doesn't matter. Yeah. No, the game lagged when I turned on the power. Tracy, gas bill. And also, by the way, it reset my progress for some reason. I don't know why. The old building problem. Time to destroy some things.
Uh-oh, Jack, what's happened? What did she lose on top of the... Oh.
55.2 meters too tall. Boom. Oh, I'm gonna finish a mission first, okay? And then when the mission is complete, I'll stop the video. Let's just do some stuff. Fun. Yeah, I'll try not to run away. I'm stuck. Yeah, no. Mission accomplished. Time to see a sunrise.
Okay, can you turn it on?
Okay, that's it for now. I'll make another video later, alright?